doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla. What's your name?
Sam.
What's your name?
Diana.
Diana.
Dorothy.
Dorothy. What are y'all doing today?
Jumping out of a plane.
You're jumping out of an airplane?
Yeah.
Where's your harness?
Nah, I'm not jumping at nothing. I'm not going either. My feet are staying.
So just you, huh? And you. Well, I'm Dale. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's go have some fun. Give me a high five. High five. High five. High
Woo!
five. All right, I'll see you
Yeah.
up there. How cool was that? I couldn't get your feet back. You had your feet straight out.
Oh, really? Sorry.
Good job, though. Woo. You did great. Woo! How cool is that? Look at the beach. There you go. Hey, you did it. How cool was that?
I want to do it again.
Pretty awesome,
I
huh?
love it.
You, what do you got to say to everybody who's never done this before?
You need to go up right now.
Got to do it. Thank you for jumping with me.
Thank you.
It's got to have Amelia Island. Yeah. Woo.